Hey guys, it's Gigi from Kauai Community College. So in this problem, we are looking at the equation of a tangent line to the rotated ellipse. Well, basically, it's that shape right there. I graphed it on decimal just so we can see. And that point right there is square root of 3 comma 1. Okay, so we're looking for the equation of the tangent line, meaning this one right there. Okay, so that means we have to go and find out what is dy dx, because that is the slope of the tangent line at any given point xy, right? So what is the slope? What is dy dx? So we have to apply implicit differentiation here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so that we can see better. Okay, so the derivative of both sides with respect to x. And the derivative of 0 is 0 on that side. Okay, so with respect to x, we'll have 14 x squared minus 6 square root of 3 times y. The product rule applies here, okay, plus the 6 square root of 3x multiplied by dy dx, which is implicit differentiation. So product and implicit differentiation. Just like how you have had product and chain rule before, it works the same way. Okay, plus 26y dy dx. And the derivative of 16 is 0, so we don't need to write that, and that is equal to 0. So to solve for dy dx, which is this guy right here, we'll have to keep everything with that on one side, everything else on the other. So distribute the negative n. So I will have then 26y minus 6 square root of 3 multiplied by x, and then dy dx is equal to, and we will go ahead and undo these terms without dy dx to the other side. So that would be negative 14x squared. So I will go ahead and write the positive terms first. 6 square root of 3y minus 14x squared. And then divide by this part right here to get dy dx by itself. So dy dx is equal to 6 square root of 3y minus 14x squared, all divided by 26y minus 6 square root of 3 times x. Okay, so the next question then is, what is the slope? The slope of the equation is going to be evaluated at x equals to square root of 3 and y is equal to 1. So at this point, then the slope of the tangent line will equal to 6 square root of 3 times y, which is 1, minus 14 times square root of 3 squared, all over 26 times y, which is square root of 3, minus 6 square root of 3 times square root of 3. We are looking at 6 square root of 3 minus 14 times 3, because square root under square. 42 minus 42 all over 26 square root of 3 minus 18. Okay, so I can see that everything has a 2 in it. So I can reduce, so I would say the slope m is 3 square root of 3 minus 21 all over 13 square root of 3 minus 9. That is the slope. And here is my point. So we can plug that into point slope form, and or y equals mx plus b, and find the equation of the tangent line. Okay. It's not looking pretty, but we know y equals mx plus b. M is this thing right here, which is 3 square root of 3 minus 21 over 13 square root of 3 minus 9. X is square root of 3 plus b, and y is 1. So square root of 3 times that is going to be 9 minus 21 square root of 3 over 13 square root of 3 minus 9 plus b, and then 1. So subtract this thing over, and we have b. So the equation of the tangent line is y equals, slope would be 3 square root of 3 minus 21 over 13 square root of 3 minus 9 multiplied by x plus 1 minus 9 minus 21 square root of 3 over 13 square root of 3 minus 9. And that is b right there. So that is the equation of the tangent line. Not very nice looking, but it's doable. And the concept here is we are looking at implicit differentiation in order to find the equation of the tangent line. And that is the equation of that green line. Not very nice.